How to message friends on PS4. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can message friends on PS4, so make sure to stick with me till the very end. If you'd like to message your friends on PS4, you need to have friends on PS4. Once you have those friends, you can simply head over to the friends section from the top of the navigation menu, and as you've done that, you'll be able to see all these sorts of information where you'll be able to see a list of your friends, right? So you can go to the all friends section over here, and then now you can simply select a friend to whom you want to send a message, and after you simply select that person over here, you'll be able to see the inbox icon which is right over here. Make sure to select that option. As you select that option over here, you should be able to go ahead and then basically send them a message or a video or whatever else it is actually that you prefer. But this way you'll be able to go ahead and then basically message friends on PS4. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.